In this demo, we'll quickly explore 7 key sales workflows in Unleashed, helping you manage quotes, orders, invoicing, and shipments with ease. Number 1. Quotes for quick responses. Create and manage quotes to respond to customers fast. And convert quotes into sales orders with a couple of clicks. Number 2. Sales order management. Sales orders are the heart of your workflow. Track status, allocate stock, and manage fulfillment. Number 3. Invoicing made simple. Generate invoices directly from sales orders. Full or partial invoicing supported. Number 4. Shipments. Create shipments to dispatch goods. Track shipped quantities and update order status automatically. Number 5. Handling returns. Process customer returns efficiently. Manage stock adjustments and credit notes. Number 6. Pricing and discounts. Set up tiered pricing and discounts for customers. This can be applied on the customer and on the product level to apply automatically during order entry. And finally, number 7. Reporting and insights. Use sales reports to monitor performance, quotes, orders, invoices, and returns, all in one place. Here's some recommended best practices. Confirm stock before invoicing, use templates for consistency, and review reports weekly. Ready to streamline your sales workflows? Head to sales and get started today. For more tips, check out our help files using the help navigation here. Thanks for watching.